Hello friends, today we are going to do a very special build for a special customer. He is a doctor. It is his long time dream to build a gaming PC as well as an editing PC for him. So we'll get into the components one by one. For the processor, we chose Intel's Core i7 14700K. The reason for choosing this processor is this is very good in terms of gaming. So it comes within 5% of the top gaming CPUs in the market today, be it a 7800X3D. Most of the titles, I'm not talking about the competitive titles where CPU bound games. If you take average of all gaming titles, so this will be like within 5%. Even the 7800X3D, which are known to be the best performing CPUs in the market today. So this has 20 cores and 28 threads. It is one of our favorite CPUs. Another reason for choosing this CPU is for editing. This has one of the best iGPUs in the market. So it comes with the media sync, the codecs that are required for fast timeline performance for when you're into editing. So it can do H.264, H.265, any codec that you throw at it. It's very capable. It can even play back 4K at full resolution. Motherboard, we went with Gigabyte's Z790 Aorus TX. It is a fantastic motherboard. It comes with 16 phases of VRM, digital power phase. So it can even support a 14th Gen i9. So it can provide how much our power the CPU requires. However, with the recent BIOS updates, both 14700K and 14900K have been little limited in terms of how much power it can draw. And it's fully loaded. It comes with all the features that you would expect in a gaming oriented setup. So for the memory, we went with GSkill Trident Z 6000 MHz 16 by 2 kit. It's pretty good. It looks one of the best performing DDR5 RAMs in the market. And it has a sleek design. It goes very well with the overall build. And for the SSD, we chose XPG S70 Blade 2 TB, and it's a fantastic performer. It gives up to 7400 Mbps. At the same time, it's a top performing SSD, but at the same time priced very sensitively, somewhere about 12,500. It's well priced SSD, I would say. And the most important thing, the GPU is 4080 Super. The customer, when he spoke to me, first thing he said is, I would like to go with a 4080 Super. He's going to go with an ultra-wide monitor. It's going to be between 2K and 4K. You don't need a 4080 Super still, but it's kind of an insurance for you. And this is Gigabyte's version, gaming OC version. It's one of the best built GPUs in the market. It's huge, built like a tank. And the cooler performance is one of the best in the market. And it looks fantastic. So it kind of maintains a theme with a Gigabyte motherboard and a Gigabyte GPU. Okay, for the cooling, we went with Thermaltake's TX360 V2 Ultra. This cooler comes with the display, so it can display GIFs, it can display the stats. So the customer wanted this specifically. For the case, we chose Lian Li's O11 Dynamic XL version. It's a Lian Li ecosystem. However, we chose a Thermaltake AIO. Hope it goes well in terms of aesthetics. So the power supply, we chose Deepcool's PN850M. For this build, 850 watts is plenty good. The reason we chose this is it is a ATX 3.1 standard. You don't have to use the extra cables that come in the GPU box. So that's it, guys. We will start with the unboxing of the case, and then we'll slowly get into the build. We'll be doing a benchmark. We'll show you some montage how cool this build turns around. I would also like to watch. So watch with me. Thank you. Keep watching.